So these are my designs based on the Slid3r gantry, Slid3r style gantry. This is the original one I put together. These are the original parts I designed. You can see there's a two-piece design, whereas the new one, you've got a one-piece design. This one did not have any tensioners. You were just tensioning it based on this belt. But this one's actually got tensioners. Let's see what else. Basically everything's been kind of miniaturized. It's a little bit harder to assemble, but it's definitely going to work better in the long run. This part, for instance, I think this part was, I want to say 60 millimeters. Over here it's 45. And you can look at the extruder mount, for instance. You can see everything's just kind of sucked up compared to this one, where the extruder's just kind of hanging down, and that definitely helps with accuracy. It's a little bit harder to assemble, but overall, you know, the accuracy and the possible speeds are definitely increased. Something else I've kind of discovered, the y-axis, which is going this way, it's run by this B motor here. Basically, if I put a 20-tooth pulley, you get 160 steps per millimeter. So it's a 2-to-1. So I could, you know, if I wanted 1-to-1 right here, I have to put I think a 32-tooth pulley. This axis moving back and forth. This is just a 1-to-1. So I've got actually a 16-tooth pulley on this one. And so roughly you get 100 steps per millimeter going this way and 160 going that way. Let's see what else. So this one's actually got an E3D V6 light on it. It's got the full display. I've got a Titan style extruder and an SKR with the TMC 2208. And this original design just got the basic extruder. It's got a ramps 1.6 board and a bed MOSFET, because this bed's a little bigger. And it's got the basic display. I prefer the basic display, actually. I don't really see any benefit. It doesn't really give you any more information unless you're doing extra things such as multiple extruders. So that's about it. I'm going to be releasing the Thingiverse file today, and it's going to have both designs, and people are welcome to download them or maybe come up with their own design. But overall, I'm pretty happy. This guy delivers some pretty good results. I definitely like the Ultra Base. The glass, if you look at it, you know, the heat bed mounts the same way, but the glass is just basically got a sticker. You can just stick it on. So, anyways, files will be available today. They're both just printing some benchies just to show. This one with the ramps, it definitely can't go too fast before it starts missing steps. This one, right now I've got it printing at 100 millimeters per second with 150 travel. This one I'm thinking about upgrading with a Raspberry Pi and going with the quicker firmware. So I don't know, we'll see. Anyways, thanks for watching.